For internet speed boost on your mobile phone, follow these easy tips, starting from those who uses mobile data to surf the internet. Open mobile data and select mobile data options. For data roaming option, only turn it on when your device is having difficulty connecting to the internet. So for those who usually travels to foreign areas, this option is for you. If you are not in the category I mentioned earlier, turn it off. This is because when data roaming is operating, it consumes more of your data bundle and also drains your battery. Now move to voice and data to check whether your phone is set to 3G or 4G. LTE means 4G, which is the best option for faster internet. Choose 5G if it is available on your device and country. This feature restricts automatic updates and background tasks like photos syncing to the clouds when you turn on your data. You can turn it off when you have sufficient bundle and battery level for those tasks. Moving on to those who uses Wi-Fi for internet connection. When connecting to your Wi-Fi, make sure to configure the DNS by changing from automatic to manual and adding the Cloudflare DNS. After finishing with the configuration, save and join your network. Moving on to the last step, you are going to turn off the background apps. Look for general, then background app refresh. If you have an important app which you don't want to turn it off, you can go through the list and turn it off one by one. For me, I prefer to turn everything off because whatever app I open, it will still load and give me the updates I need.